Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for the FF Partner Program. First, understand the eligibility criteria. You generally need at least 10,000 followers across your social media platforms. Your content should be at least 80% Free Fire related, and you must achieve specific monthly video views, often around 300,000 views in the last 30 days. These requirements ensure you have an active and engaged audience. Once you meet the eligibility, the next step is to apply. Visit the official Free Fire Partner Program website and locate the Apply Now button. You'll then fill out an online form, providing your personal details, channel information, and links to your social media and content. Be sure to accurately represent your reach and engagement to help your application stand out. To increase your chances of acceptance, focus on creating high-quality, original, and engaging Free Fire content consistently. Promote the game in a positive and neutral manner, showcasing your unique gameplay. It's crucial to avoid copyrighted material, re-uploads, or any inappropriate content. Garena looks for creators who are passionate and dedicated to the Free Fire community. Becoming a partner offers fantastic benefits, including early access to game updates, exclusive in-game rewards like diamonds and room cards, and dedicated community support. Some partners with over 500,000 subscribers can even receive monetary compensation. After applying, Garena will review your submission and notify you via email if you're selected. Check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.